All my dreams, all my hope is to have you here with me for eternity. Even living in a poor hut, as long as we are together. This letter here is your invitation to your wedding tomorrow. A hole torn through my broken heart, my face rained with endless tears. The one who I love and care, and now he's gone.